summer is just around the corner and Kiwis will be dusting off those paddle boards and servicing those boats. Whether you're a skipper of a kayak, a boat, a waka armour or a paddle board, it's important that you make a safety plan before you go on the water. As part of that plan, it's great to know the 5 safety ways on the water. Number 1, always wear a life jacket, even if you're the skipper. Life jackets aren't just for children or newbies. It's important that everyone on board wears a life jacket so everyone can stay safe. Number 2, always take 2 forms of waterproof communication so you can raise an alarm if you need to. Your mobile phone could fall overboard or be out of range. It's important you were armed with that other form of communication so you have a backup. Number 3, check the marine forecast. The weather can change in an instant, so keep up to date with the latest weather conditions and visit metservice.com. Number 4, no beers on the water. Alcohol and water don't mix. Maybe wait to get ashore to celebrate getting that good catch. Number 5, be a responsible skipper. It's important you understand the local conditions and bylaws to keep you and your people on board safe. Finally, if it's safe to do so, I hope you have a fantastic summer and enjoy our beautiful maritime domain in Aotearoa.